Uncommon Igbo names and meanings you may like to give your child. Hi, welcome to my space, Ideka Stóries. Let's talk about the uncommon Igbo names for your child. If you are a mother-to-be or an expectant mother and you are looking for a beautiful and yet uncommon name to give your unborn child, you are in the right channel. Welcome to Ideka Stóries. Here, we will be telling you the 32 most beautiful and uncommon Igbo names and their meanings. Igbo people are like the Hebrews. They don't just give names to their children for naming's sake. Each name that is given to a child has a story to tell or has a being to appreciate. Like the 12 sons of Jacob, they were given names according to what their parents encountered when they were giving birth to. That is exactly how Igbo people give names to their children. A woman gave birth to a baby in the hospital. When she came out from the labor room, she was asked the name of her child and she said, Nkoleka. When she was asked the meaning, she said what she saw and went through in the labor room. She said she appreciates the fact that she's alive and recounting them herself. And that is actually the meaning of Nkoleka. Afonye neduya or afonye nesoya, meaning someone's name follows him or her. This is an Igbo saying, meaning that whatever name you bear will determine the fate and the luck that will befall you. I believe in it so much, but as much as I want to believe this saying, the intellectual side of me will try to counter it. I will always remember that the name of one-time American president is George Bush. He bears Bush, that is Ofia, yet he became a president. There are also people related to me who bear Ofia Bush as their surname, but they have since changed their names to either heaven or earth or gain. They say the name brings them bad luck. Those who have names like Nta, which means little, have also changed it to bear up or elevation. But I also know a white man who bears little, yet he's doing exploits with the little as a surname. But on a very serious note, one's name follows him or her. Do you remember the name Usain Bolt? Do you also know what boat means? It means running, race. Now let me ask you, isn't Usain running? He is. His name followed him. Okay? Forget about him. You say it's just a mere coincidence. But did you remember that story of a woman who was barren for years? When she finally had a son, she named him Ntigano, meaning ears we hear. Of course, all ears heard about the young man, the young boy, the few years he spent on earth. He died as a notorious criminal. Here are 32 uncommon Igbo names and their meanings. 1. Chimemejoghim, meaning my God has not done me wrong. 2. Ugwumsinachi, my pride comes from the Lord. Number 3. Urudinachi, there is gain in the Lord. 4. Chimkwudolum, God is my backing. 5. Adamalubia, meaning the girl child comes at the right time. 6. Chiemedaaobim, God has calmed my heart. 7. Ogbenyano, meaning the poor will never marry. Is it funny? Are you laughing? The first time I heard about this name Ogbenyano, I asked questions. I was told it was a real name given to a girl. I was also told that the mother of this girl passed through a lot in her husband's house. She was known with just one wrapper. The woman had 3 sons and a girl for her husband before she became a widow. She gave this name to her daughter because she didn't want her to go through similar ordeal. And fortunately, this girl, the name follows her. Ogbenyano used to be a choir member in my church 7 years ago. but she's now married and live in London with her husband. You see that? Here more great names and their meanings. Number 8, Chinwalumog or Chinwaogum, meaning may God fight my battle. Chinua Achebe was the first to bear this name. Now you know the full meaning of Chinua. Number 9, Chimemejoghim, my God has done me favor. 10, Chimkwudolum, my God is my peace. 11, mgbe ahụrụ ike, as at when strength came. Men who had health challenges and had delay in impregnating their wives gave their sons this name, mgbe ahụrụ ike. Agena or agena nwa, meaning the child is not yet counted among other kids. This name is popular among families who had many stillbirths or death of children. They give this name in mockery of death, telling death that they have not yet counted the child among the living children. I had a grand uncle who bore Agena. Their mother actually had them 12. They lost 10, remaining him and my grandmother. I later found their parents were SS. Both of them. Number 12, Chimnonolo, meaning my God is at work. 13, Chimemejoghim, my God does not change. 14, Chimeadeka, my God is merciful. 15, Zimchikachim, meaning show me a God that is greater than my God. 16, Chimeguzo, my God has risen. 17, Chimcheba, let God reigns. Let my God reign. 18, Nkechukwu, meaning God's own. 19, Obimdenachukwu or Obimdenachi, meaning my heart looks up to the Lord. 20, Atochukwu or Atuchi, God's plan. 21, Orajimetochukwu, the people praise God for my sake. 22, Ugwumsinachi, meaning I shine in God or my shine is in God. 23, Ogemde, there is a time for me. 24, Chibundum, meaning I receive my consolation from God. 25, Chibudum, God is my peace. 26, Chibundum, God is my life. 27, Chimbusama, my God is so good. 28, Aroma, meaning the good year. 29, Ifadigo, the light has come. 30, Ifegade, there will be light. 31, Jachimma, meaning praise God. 32, Ghanianfolktales, meaning my help comes from God. The summary. Don't just give your child name because you hear it from TV or because you saw it on social media. Some parents used to copy the names of a popular celebrity and name their children. Because a dog or a cow became president of White House, you gave and call him or her dog or cow. No, it's meaningless. Give your child a name the way his or her birth has impacted your family. Some years ago, I saw a priestly ordination of twins who will be ordained as reverend fathers in the Roman Catholic Church. When I saw their names, I shed tears. They used their names to coin their ordination invitation, and it reads, Nke a bụ ngọzi Chukwu, nke mmadụ na-atụghị anya, nke anyị na-eyighị uche. You know what? Their names are atụ anya and eyi uche. Guess what? They came when their parents stopped procreation. They were named Atwanya and Eyuche, which means not expected. If you learn anything from here, or if you like our station, why not like and share? Thank you.